What steps should I take to prepare my home for sale? Selling your home? Let's make sure it stands out from the rest. Before you list, getting it market ready is key to attracting serious buyers and scoring the best price. Today we're sharing how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market.
I remember one homeowner who was listed with another realtor but failed to sell. The seller reached out to top agents in Egg Harbor Township and found us. We were able to share some small details that really helped with the sale. We ended up selling the property for $50,000 more than where they had previously listed. That experience proves just how much first impressions matter. Whether it's your first time selling or you've sold before, taking the right steps to prepare your home makes all the difference. It helps your home sell faster and for more money with way less stress. Before you make your move, let's go over these steps to ensure you're all set for a successful sale.
Great, so key point number one, clean and declutter. This is the foundation of any sale. Buyers need to be able to imagine themselves living in the space, and that's hard to do if personal items and clutter are everywhere. Start by removing excess furniture and personal photos, and make sure surfaces, carpets, and windows are sparkling clean. If you can hire a professional cleaner or organizer to help you with this. This can really elevate your home's presentation and make it stand out to buyers.
Key point number two, make your home move-in ready before you list. Take a close look at both inside and outside of your home. Fix minor repairs like leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or peeling paint. And boost your curb appeal by mowing the lawn, trimming the bushes, planting fresh flowers, and refreshing the front door with a coat of paint. Even a small improvement can make a big impact, signaling to buyers that your home is well maintained and move-in ready, which attracts more serious offers. You should also conduct a pre-inspection to uncover hidden issues and ensure your home makes the best first impression possible.
Key point number three, staging your home helps buyers see full potential. You don't have to hire a professional stager, but it helps to rearrange furniture to highlight the flow and the functionality of the rooms. Consider renting modern neutral furniture if your pieces are outdated. Light neutral colors tend to make spaces look larger and more inviting. Don't underestimate the power of well-lit homes.
Key point number four, price it right. Now that your home is looking the best, the next and most important step is to price it correctly. Setting the right price is crucial. If it's too high, you could be scaring off potential buyers, and if it's too low, you won't get the full value for your home. As local experts, we can help you analyze comparable sales in the area, current market trends, and buyer demand to come up with a price that attracts offers and gets you the best return. It's important to trust a real estate professional who knows your neighborhood that will help you set a competitive price.
Key point number five, partner with a good real estate agent. Selling a home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all the dots, from preparation and pricing to marketing, negotiation, and timing. A good agent will guide you on which updates actually matter, help avoid over-improving, and position your home to attract the right buyers from day one. They'll also handle showings, feedback, negotiations, and all the curveballs that come up during the sale process. Most importantly, the right agent advocates for you. They protect your bottom line, keep the transaction on track, and help reduce stress so you can focus on the next move with confidence. Always remember that when your home is prepared well, priced correctly, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert, you put yourself in the strongest possible position for a successful sale.
So give us a call if you're preparing your home for sale. It doesn't have to be stressful, and with the right strategy, simple updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. If you're ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, or marketing, give us a call, 609-226-0678, and let's get your home sold at the best price in the shortest amount of time.
Thank you. Talk to you soon.